Hey guys, wish your TV could look like this for the holidays? Well, it can. Simply go to YouTube on your smart TV, and of course we all know there's different Christmas sceneries, and they're all really beautiful and really pretty, and they look wonderful on your big large television mounted on the wall. But if you change up the search term, instead of searching Christmas scenery, you search Christmas picture frame TV, well, look what you get here. You get all of these different picture frames for your TV, and of course I'm doing this for Christmas, but you can search all different your holidays and different events. And if we look at these right here, just look how beautiful they are. You make them full screen, you got that beautiful picture frame around it, and it just looks amazing on your television. As you can see right here, I've got this on my 75-inch TV, and it looks absolutely stunning. And as you can see, there are tons of these to choose from. As long as you got that picture frame TV in the search bar of YouTube, you should be able to find what you're looking for. And you can pick anything you want here. Most of these are like at least an hour long, so you can loop them, or you can just make a playlist so it can go to the next one when the first one finishes. Make it full screen and enjoy.